Hey, welcome to Build and Bond. My name is Paul. I'm a lifelong Lego builder and collector. There's so much more that you can't even see. And this channel is about our favorite things, talking about Lego, why we love it, and building positivity piece by piece. In all the years I've been building Lego, I've known a couple of things to be true. It helps me slow down. It helps me calm myself. It helps me think more clearly. And somehow following instructions that, well, if you do them correctly, they always work out, almost always, is a great meditative thing. And this channel is really born out of that idea that it's okay to have these creative breaks in your life. It's not always complete reality, but it is an amazing hobby that helps you take that break, that really helps you center yourself. And I think that's really important to talk about. Now, of course, the majority of this channel is really about builds and reviews, my honest takes as a builder and someone who loves Lego. And this is not a sponsored channel. I don't get anything for this. These are the sets I buy with my own money. But it's important to talk about them with you in a way that you understand, because you love Lego like I do. What are you going to love about it? What are you going to not love about it? And why would you want it in the first place? So of course you're going to see speed builds, you're going to see some ASMR, you're going to see some straight up review builds, and occasionally we'll have conversations just about what it means to love Lego and the building process and what that can do for you. So this isn't only a Lego hype channel, although I love the brand and want to talk about it. I want to be honest. Why listen to me? Because I think I'm a builder who loves Lego the same way that you do. I invest my time in it. I save money up to do it. I really enjoy the process. It's something I do just for myself, one of the only things that I do for myself. And I think that's like a lot of you. I think that we have to enjoy that, and that's part of the bonding experience that we have. We all have that in common. So we're going to build and bond, and we're going to talk about it. And I want to hear from you. That's the most important part. There's a dialogue that will happen. Some of the people who already subscribe are amazing people that I've got a chance to get in touch with and get to know. And that's part of what this can be. Or you can just watch. That's not a problem at all. But it's there for you, and we celebrate that creativity here, and that's important. Lego has been part of my life through many different eras, from when we were scraping by as a family and we shared Lego with neighbors when we were a kid in college, and I looked at Lego and thinking that it was only for kids. And it wasn't until later in my life when I realized that, oh wow, you can really enjoy it as an adult. And then as I got older and moved along in my career, I could splurge a little bit more on things I really wanted. But all through that process, all through that time, the connection that you have with clicking those bricks together never really changed for me. And I'm sure it's the same for you. So wherever you are in your journey, I hope that you find something in common with me here, and I can't wait to talk to you more about it. It's important that this channel be positive because it's not just about Lego. Lego is about a community of people who love it, and you're part of that, and I'm part of it. And so thanks for coming on the journey with me. As you can see, I'll happily take you behind the scenes. You can see it's a little crazy and messy sometimes, but it's fun and we love it, right? We're just getting started. So if you subscribed or you're going to subscribe, then you become part of the foundation of building this channel. And I appreciate it so much. So whether you want to see build videos, whether you want to see ASMR videos, whether you want to see reviews, this is for you. Leave a comment and let me know what you're building right now. I'd love to know. Or what you want to see me try to build next. If I can do it, I'd love to. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by. And as we always say on this channel, whether you have this Lego set, whether you have any Lego sets at all, you got this. I'll see you soon.